All right, guys, we're gonna have a cold start showdown between the AMG and the NSX. Both of them haven't been started, completely cold start. So let's go ahead and start with the AMG, and you guys are gonna tell me who wins. All right. Here we go. All right, that was the AMG. Now we're gonna do the NSX. Woohoo! All right, NSX, here we come. So it's only fair to tell you what's done to the cars. Now the NSX has scientist speed downpipes, and it really makes it sound really awesome. You could hear the turbo sounds. Now we didn't rev the cars because I feel like that would take away from the cold start showdown. But besides that, the NSX does have a stock exhaust, and that's pretty much about it. It's overall stock minus the downpipe. Now the AMG GTS is a different story. This is one of the first years of the GTS, and it has a really loud exhaust. But I also added an EVM. An EVM is an exhaust valve module, and what it does is on cold start, it opens up the valves 100%. Now I did start the NSX on Sport Plus mode, so it's kind of an equal battle, but I thought I'd let you guys know what the car setups are to give like a proper evaluation of who's gonna win. All right, guys, you tell me in the comments who wins. I mean, both of them sound good. It's hard for me to pick. You got the V8 and the V6. In the NSX, you hear the turbo sounds a lot, but again, the V8 sounds pretty good, but I'm curious to hear what you guys think.